Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So how you can transfer your mobile data to your computer without having a Wi-Fi or hotspot. Okay, we have only a cable, a charging cable. You can say this is the USB data cable. So we use the USB data cable for this task. Okay, so first of all, I connect my USB cable to my computer, or I say laptop, or my mobile. Okay, so I'll show you my mobile screen now. Okay, so I'll connect my mobile with my computer with now you can see the notification is appear here, and also we have a option here. Okay, so this is the option from USB. Okay, so we can transfer, okay, file transfer or Android Auto. Okay, so select the file transfer and or Android Auto. So select the middle one. When I select the middle one, now I have access my files. I'll show you in the computer. Okay, click on this PC. Okay, now you can see Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. This is my mobile, and now we have our drive. Okay, mobile drive. This is our mobile drive. Now I can see anything or copy anything or edit anything, delete anything in my mobile. Or let's see, copy first. Okay, so I'll copy something just like I say screen records. Okay, so I'll copy this one. Okay, I'll copy and paste here in the desktop. Okay, so now you can see the data is successfully copied from my mobile to my Windows laptop. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.